Carousel. Perfect. Hello, Mango. Ay,
this Sunday, yan mag-English talaga. Ganun talaga. Okay, kanta-kanta lang po muna tayo. So, nakita niyo po na una, diba?
sige lang siya na bala dyan. Go, Carousel.
Take me back to the place I'd rather be. Remember my young mind.
Perfect.
Giving up, so letting go. Find my way. Take me back to my seat. Freedom. Find my love. We go tell me. Show me where I need to go. Chico Latino, la 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 la, yeah yeah yeah, la 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 la. So moment, eyes open,
Laban! Laban! Laban!
There's a fire in my eyes. I break away and say goodbye. Breathe me and let it go. I'll find my way. So take me back to my sweet Latina. Find my love. May God tell me that. Show me where I need to go. Don't let stop. Retreat all I need.
Laban, Carousel! Laban!
Take me back to my sweet Latina. Find my love.
Diba? Check. Hi, good evening everyone. Good evening to us. Pwede ba makainin muna ng palakpakan para masaya tayo? Yan. Sige, hello boss. Hello po sa mga boss natin. Tapos na dalawang unang guest. Hi, good evening. Yes. Hi. Okay, sige. Kakatarin din muna kami para naman sa ganun. Wait lang. Teka na. Yan. Dami logo dito, no? Totoo.
Si Reyna nga parang di na nakita.
Sige, go. Play. Let's go.
Okay, go.
Para masaya. If you know the song, shut up.
Hi.
Come on.
Wala akong ngayong choice.
True.
Kasi kami man din ay walang choice. Ako po si Mango.
And of course, my name is Carousel.
Yeah, so syempre would I say, at this moment, would I say I'm sorry for the inconvenience
Yes.
of our foreign guests.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, because our English is not quite good. We can speak only for 2 minutes after that we panic. Okay?
Yes, after panic,
We collapse. So please have mercy.
yeah, so have mercy and bear with us, sir.
Yeah, but we will try our best since you are our first guest. We will do our best to speak long English.
Yeah.
But please have mercy.
Don't cry.
By the way, my name is Mango and this one is my friend. My very good, very nice, very talented, and very talented.
I'm waiting for one word.
And very smelly.
What kind of smell?
Bad smell. Pakilala ka.
Yes, hindi na po kasi masabi.
No, English.
Wait, if I know that you will come in, sir, I take my dictionary.
Grabe, no? Ang tagal-tagal ko na nag-show. This is my first time makakita ng Amerikanang pango.
What? 2 minutes ba?
But anyways, can we ask for your name, sir? Hi, you're so handsome. Oh my God. Is she your girlfriend? No. Are you guys related? Oh, just friends only.
Yeah.
So you don't have a girlfriend in the Philippines? Oh, nice name. Ang ganda mo naman. Grabe. Bibihira na may binabagay ng ganyang buhok.
Oo.
Kasi yung kasama ko, nagpula ng buhok, nagmukha siling na buyo. Siling na buyo na nabulok. Ano name mo? Ano name mo? Hi, Candy.
So sweet.
Kasi,
My name is
Yes. Sir Michael, so lucky because you see the Philippine version of Labubu. A little Labubu here.
yeah, we have a two labubu. Inanis mo yung sarili mo.
Ang selfie na lang pala.
We have the Philippine version and the Thailand version.
Wow, magyayaro sa'yo.
Huwag mo sorry ka. Sorry pala. Si Ryan Sama po sa singer. Ma'am, baka may mga gusto po kayo paawin, may mga gusto po kayo marinig, kakantarin po namin para yung kinakanta namin. Yun